Bowsaw Chainsaw. Let's take it back to the classics with the Bowsaw Chainsaw, specifically the vintage Pand 361 model. This tool made a name for itself back in the 1960s and is still popular today, and that says a lot about its craftsmanship and reliability. Powered by a 59cc engine, it delivers more than enough strength to handle tough woodcutting jobs, including precision-angled cuts and log splitting. One of its standout features is its compatibility with a 9.5mm chain pitch, which is great for users needing to tackle thicker wood without sacrificing control. Despite being a vintage model, spare parts are still widely available, which means maintenance is no hassle. It's perfect for seasoned lumberjacks, woodworking enthusiasts, or collectors who appreciate tools with a solid history. Whether you're felling trees or cutting firewood, this chainsaw has the legacy and performance to get it done. It's a perfect blend of old-school reliability and real-world power. DEWALT MultiTool with 42 functions. Why lug around a full toolbox when the DEWALT MultiTool gives you 42 functions in one compact device? Weighing just 260 grams, it's perfect for cutting, grinding, polishing, engraving, and more, handling materials like metal, wood, glass, and plastic with ease. With adjustable speeds from 10,000 to 28,000 RPM, you get precision for any task. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 60 minutes, making it great for both home use and projects on the go. The tool also includes a 40-piece accessory kit, giving you everything you need right out of the box. Priced at $59, the DEWALT MultiTool is a smart, portable solution for anyone who needs versatility without the bulk. Ibanstock Core Drill. The Ibanstock Core Drill isn't just any drilling tool. It's a serious piece of equipment for professionals who need to bore through tough materials like reinforced concrete, stone, or brick. Powered by a robust 1.5 kilowatts motor, this core drill doesn't flinch when it hits hard surfaces. Whether you're working on building renovations, plumbing, or heavy-duty construction, this tool delivers consistent performance. It supports a range of core drill bits from 6mm to 68mm, and for more demanding jobs, you can attach it to a drill rig for added control. There's also an integrated water supply switch to manage cooling while drilling, especially helpful when working with dense stone or concrete. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with built-in protections against overheating and electrical overload. It weighs about 3.6 kilograms, giving it a solid, balanced feel. At around $936, it's an investment, but one that pros will find pays off job after job. Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter. Say goodbye to back-breaking planting and hello to efficient, hands-free farming with Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter. This smart tool revolutionizes how you transplant seedlings. Using the paper pot system, one person can plant up to 264 seedlings in just a few minutes, without kneeling or stopping. Each seedling is housed in a biodegradable paper cell, all of which are linked in a belt that automatically unrolls as you walk, placing each plant neatly into the soil. You can choose a spacing interval of 5, 10, or 15 centimeters, giving you full control over your garden layout. The transplanter itself weighs only 12 kilograms, so it's light enough to roll comfortably with one hand. It's ideal for small farms, market gardeners, or anyone looking to save time and energy during the planting process. Is it worth the $699 price tag? If you value speed, precision, and long-term productivity, this tool could be a game-changing investment for your growing operation. Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl. The Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl is a clever solution for keeping your workspace cleaner when using circular saws. Designed for blades up to 162 mm, it captures dust and debris while cutting. Made from a dual material blend, it combines strength and flexibility, allowing it to withstand impacts and fold down for easy storage in a tool bag or suitcase. Its translucent design helps with precise leveling and alignment, ensuring more accurate cuts. Weighing just 209 grams, it's lightweight and practical. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this compact dust bowl is a handy, budget-friendly addition to your toolkit, priced at only $20. RIVE Stop System. If you've ever dealt with concrete formwork, you know it often leaves behind unsightly holes once it's removed. That's where the RIVE Stop System steps in, a clever solution for sealing those gaps quickly and securely. The star of the show is an elastic rivet that expands by up to 50% once inserted, perfectly filling the space left behind after formwork removal. Installation is incredibly efficient. Just one person can install up to 420 rivets per hour, and each one only takes a few seconds. It's perfect for large-scale construction projects or renovation jobs where speed and finish matter. The rivets are not only waterproof but also fire-resistant, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and for structures that require high safety standards. A pack of 50 pieces, in the D27 size, costs around $172, and considering the time you save and the flawless finish you get, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals aiming for top-tier results. Tajjima Chalk Right, Sturdy Marking Tool. If you're someone who works with measurements and lines, whether you're a carpenter, contractor, or serious DIY enthusiast, the Tajjima Chalk Right Sturdy is one tool you'll want in your arsenal. This isn't your typical chalk line. It's housed in a super durable aluminum body, built to last through tough job site conditions. Think of it as the fishing reel of the construction world, reliable, rugged, and easy to carry around. The cord inside is protected by a braided sleeve, which adds another layer of toughness. You can choose between two cord thickness options, 0.5 mm or 1 mm, depending on the level of precision you need. The cord stretches up to 30 meters, making it ideal for long layouts. If you want even more durability, you can opt for the version with a metal handle and tip instead of plastic. At around $57, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to get straight, clean lines every time. Troek T600, Microwave Moisture Meter. If you're dealing with hidden moisture issues in walls or floors, the Troek T600 is the smart tool you'll want in your kit. This advanced microwave moisture meter allows engineers, contractors, and inspectors to accurately detect moisture up to 30 centimeters, about 12 inches, deep, without damaging the surface. Unlike traditional moisture meters, it's unaffected by salts, making it especially useful for older or historic buildings where salt content can skew readings. Need to locate wiring or metal pipes hidden behind walls? The T600 can help with that too, offering added versatility. Its intuitive touchscreen interface makes operation easy, while the data is clearly displayed and ready to be shared with clients using the Multi-Measure mobile app via your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're assessing a home for water damage or performing routine checks in commercial buildings, the T600 streamlines the process. Priced at just $276, it offers exceptional value for professionals who need accurate, reliable results fast. It's a small investment that delivers big time efficiency and peace of mind. Vaver Pipe Blockage Detector Locator. Dealing with clogged pipes can be a serious headache, especially when you're not sure exactly where the blockage is. That's where the Vaver Pipe Blockage Detector comes in to save the day. This smart tool takes the guesswork out of pipe inspection by helping you pinpoint the exact location of an obstruction quickly and accurately. Here's how it works. You feed a flexible 30-meter cable with a built-in beacon through the pipe. Once it hits the blockage, you use the included scanner to locate the beacon through the pipe wall. It works on both plastic and metal pipes, detecting obstructions up to 40 centimeters deep in plastic and 15 centimeters deep in metal. Whether you're a plumber, contractor, or a handy homeowner, this device makes tough jobs simpler. The kit even includes 8 spare beacons, so you're ready for multiple inspections. And the best part? It's priced around just $60, making it an incredibly affordable tool that could save hours of labor and guesswork. Practical, efficient, and cost-effective. Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box. If you work with trim, baseboards, or molding, even occasionally, then the Wolfcraft Bevel and Miter Box is a must-have addition to your toolbox. This clever tool takes the guesswork out of angled cuts, helping you achieve professional-level precision every time. Whether you're remodeling a room or tackling a detailed carpentry project, this tool ensures your cuts are clean, accurate, and perfectly matched. The tool measures angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, so whether you're dealing with an awkward corner or a standard wall join, you'll get the right cut. Once you set the angle using the built-in gauge, simply insert the baseboard and start cutting. No need to calculate or guess. Depending on the model, it accommodates baseboards up to 70 or 100 millimeters in height, which makes it suitable for a wide variety of home projects. And with a starting price around $36, it's an affordable solution that delivers pro results without breaking the bank. Reliable, efficient, and beginner-friendly. What's not to love?